Why, hello there. Welcome to Monarch Cat's Restaurant, a place where you can enjoy and sit down and eat and watch the show. So, come by and see Monarch Cat's Restaurant, a place where you can have fun and be a kid and blah blah blah. I don't care. I don't care about this message. So there are a couple rules. No running, no screaming, no calling 911, because I don't know why. And, do not go through the stage unless you're a employee. And also, don't get lost. And, don't, mess around with the robots. So, yeah, that's it. So, Monarch Cat's Restaurant, it's a good place with, good, entertainment. So, come on down and, come and see Monarch Cat.